The Go Wild Planner Conference is in Dallas, Texas this year. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited. Let me know in the comments if you are going. I would love to meet you guys. So I have some fun Go Wild products from Kellofaplan. These are new. They are releasing on Friday, the 19th at 10 a.m. Central Time. Wait until you see these. This is going to be perfect for decorating your Go Wild spreads and getting ready for Go Wild. So obviously, since it's in Dallas, we have a Texan theme. And first, let's talk about these cute little pins. Look at these. We have a little hat and a planner and a boot. They all say Go Wild Dallas on them. And they are acrylic. I think they're so, so cute. These would be great to put like on a backpack or a bag that you have at Go Wild, or I don't know, just something to remember your trip by. Next up, we have this pack of washi tape. It is a 6-pack. Let me just open these up and show you. All right, so you have lots of cute tapes here. Down here we have some cowboy boots. Here's just like a cute little theme. There's stars in the background. There's like a drink and hats and stuff, boots. And then here is like stuff you might pack, your planner, water bottle, your suitcase, that kind of stuff. Here's a cast of characters you might see at Go Wild. Here is like a backpack and planners and pen cups and scissors. So this is like planner supplies. And then this one is just stripes in the Go Wild colors this year. And I think that's perfect. So next, let's take a look at this Go Wild planner. So if you're someone who does go to Go Wild, you might have a planner dedicated to that. I created one last year. I wish this had been available so I didn't have to create my own, but it is this year. So this is going to be for all of your Go Wild planning needs. So let's check this out. It's on discs. They look like this. It's like mini discs. The cover is perfect. And of course you can reuse this for other years and change the cover if you want to. We have some stripes inside. And look at the middle with that wild pattern there. Go Wild Dallas. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. My Go Wild 2024 plans and notes. So this is your monthly, and this is perfect for like monthly prep, getting ready for Go Wild. And then you're gonna have your weekly planner pages here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, 5 of them. Okay, so how I would use this, maybe it wasn't intended to be this way. I'm not sure. I would use this for a bunch of different Go Wild years, and maybe that is what it's intended for. You could certainly use it for Go Wild prep, but what I would use it for is like, this might be Go Wild Dallas, and then the next year. But you can honestly use this for whatever you want. So after that, the rest is paper. So you get a bunch of doc grid sheets, perfect for making spreads all about planning Go Wild, about what you, or like memory planning and what you did there. There's all sorts of ideas. You can check out my Go Wild planner video from last year to see like the different things you can plan or track. But again, great for memories as well. And then here we just have some lined paper for the rest of the book. And then that is what the back cover looks like. I love this. And if you use it every year, you could change the cover up to be another, you know, Go Wild. Let's check out the sticker book because this is what I'm most interested in, of course. Stickers are always my favorite. It's called Wild Basics. By the way, I will put my link in the description box. I would love it if you use my link if you plan to shop. It really does help me out a great deal. So thank you for considering that. So this is on clear paper. We have a bunch of different boots in the Go Wild colors. You're gonna get 2 pages of those. And then look at this. Look how much fun they're having. Oh my gosh, there's somebody fell into their drink. Wow. You know, just lots of fun things, a microphone for that karaoke night, and stars and stuff like that. This is great for making your packing list because it says packing list at the top, and you can decorate your packing list with these stickers. And okay, so a lot of these illustrations were on the washi tape. Here we have the fun cast of characters that were on the washi tape. So fun. They're in their PJs. It says Planjama. There's the planner supplies. Lots of different supplies here. Okay, so these say Go Wild 2024, travel details, flight details, hotel details, roommate info, roommate gifts. So all the things you might want to plan. This is perfect, especially if you're like, how do I plan for Go Wild? You can like look at this and be like, oh yeah, I can't forget to have outfit plans, like that kind of thing. People I want to meet, photos I want to take, swag tracker, so much fun. And then a bunch of planner quotes. I plan for everything. Give me all the stickers. It's a beautiful day to plan. Planner vibes. I love these. These are really fun. By the way, these are all on clear so far. Some fun Go Wild quotes. Wild and free. Believe in your wildest dreams. It is time to go wild, wild and beautiful. Then you have letter stickers that match the colors. A lot of them. And then boxes to match the colors, which is perfect because we all need boxes for those planner spreads and for those Go Wild, you know, plans in your Go Wild planner. Oh my gosh. I love the hexagons and more boxes. So that is so cute. So again, these release on Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. And the link will be in the description box. Let me know, again, if you are going to Go Wild. I am very excited for it, but I usually wait to plan until the very last minute because that's just how I roll. Yeah. All right. Enough from me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.